Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on your school computer using an easy method. This involves leveraging cloud gaming services, which stream the game directly to your web browser. This means you won't need to install any software, making it a convenient option for devices with restrictions. We'll explore how these services work and what you need to get started, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite car soccer game without hassle. Once you understand the concept, your next step is to choose a suitable cloud gaming service. Platforms such as GeForce Now are well-known options. It is important to confirm that Rocket League is available on the service you select. Also, consider the location of their servers. Closer servers generally mean lower latency and a better experience. Remember, some services might require you to already own the game on a compatible digital storefront. With your service chosen, setting up is straightforward. Begin by creating an account on the platform, which usually takes just a few minutes. Then, simply log in through your school computer's web browser. You can typically use a compatible game controller, often connected via USB or Bluetooth, or stick with the keyboard and mouse. Experiment with the streaming quality settings to find the best balance for your internet speed. To ensure the best possible Rocket League experience, consider a few optimization tips. If available, a wired internet connection offers superior stability compared to Wi-Fi. Always close any extra browser tabs and background applications to free up bandwidth and processing power. Playing during less busy network times, like early mornings, can also significantly enhance performance. Finally, ensure your school's network policies permit streaming services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.